Hello, my name is I am your sales and marketing coordinator here at Southwest Bindings. Today I'm going to be talking about our 2700 Lamrite machine. This is our entry-level machine. It's a 27-inch roll laminator, very easy to use, and let me tell you about some of the functionalities of the machine. Over here is your heat settings. You can either go up or down depending on the type of lamination film you're using. So if you're using a very thick lamination film, like a 10 mil thickness, you want to go higher up in the temperature. If you're using something like a 3 mil or 1.7 mil, you want to go lower down in temperature. You have your hot and your cold settings here. Cold setting is for pressure sensitive lamination. You can do that on this machine as well. Over here is your speed settings. So depending on what type of speed that you want, you can go up or down. You have your on and off button here. Over here is your shield and paper tray detection. If these buttons are lit up, then your laminator won't turn off. So let's say if we disengage the paper tray, the light comes on, put it back down, the light comes off. Now your laminator is ready for usage. You have a guide here that tells you the different heat settings and the different type of speed settings that you would run your lamination film at. This again is just a brief guide to tell you what temperature and what speed to run it at. With lamination, it's very personal in terms of you can adjust to what you feel works the best for you. So on the side here, to turn on your lamination, you use this clamp here, and then you just push it and you hit it to the run section. Right now your lamination is running. You put it up and that's standby. Over here are your tension settings. If you have wrinkles in your lamination film, you can either loosen or tighten the tension, and then it will fix itself when it comes out through the other side. Let's start laminating. Turn the machine to run and just feed your paper in as so. And that's how you run a laminator. Once you're done laminating, you can take your blade, which is on the end of your roller here, and just use that to cut the pieces up.